Hey everyone, welcome back to Flavors of the World by Anna. Today's video is a little different. It's not a recipe or a food adventure. It's about my Ooni Halo Pro spiral mixer and why I had to return it after just 60 days. You guys know if you've seen my previous video where I compared it to my Ankarsrum, and you know that I've chosen the Uni Halo Pro. And I was honestly so excited when I first got this mixer. It looked beautiful, worked like a beast, and made dough prep a dream. But after just 2 months, I started hearing this weird, constant clicking sound every time it ran. It wasn't super loud, but it was enough to drive me crazy in the kitchen, especially when you're trying to work in peace or shoot a video like I am now. I contacted the Uni Halo support, and I have to say they were super responsive. No drama, no hassle. They gave me three options. One was a partial refund. Second one was a store credit to buy something else from their website. And the third one was to send me a brand new replacement mixer completely free. So here we've got the new one that Uni just sent me. The same exact mixer. And what we're gonna do right now, we need to bring it in the house, unpack it, and pack the old one to send it back to them. They also send me a shipping label that I'm gonna stick on the other one and wave goodbye to it and just ship it back. So, not just a repair, but a full replacement. Not only that, but when I told them that I use my mixer almost daily and I don't know how long it's gonna take to receive the new one, they were kind enough to send me the new one first and allowed me to package and ship my old one back after I've received the new one. Like customer service level, 10 out of 10. And as expected in my previous video where I compared the two mixers, this plastic lid was the first one to show issues, which it has like a super minor crack that doesn't affect its functionality. It happened when I was trying to put it on the mixer. And I was expecting this piece to be the weakest one of the whole mixer. Things happen, and especially in the first generation of anything, pretty much, you can expect to have some issues that they didn't take into consideration. If you don't want to take the risk, you can wait until they release the second generation. But I like the design of it, so I went ahead and bought it knowing that Uni really stands behind their products. So, yeah, was I annoyed? A little. But honestly, I'm still a fan of the Uni brand. Things happen even with good products. What matters most to me is how a company handles it, and they handled it so well. The hardest part was wrapping the old one and sending it back. Had I not had the new one to see how it was packaged, I would probably have a very hard time putting everything together. And now, meet my Uni Halo 2.0. So here is the new one, guys, in its place, replacing the old one. Let's plug it in and see how this one sounds. So it looks like it doesn't have that annoying clicking noise, which is good. I hope it's not going to develop it, because even my first one did not have it from the beginning. It developed it after, I would say, like a month and a half of using it, that clicking noise. So I will update everyone what happens to this new one. Hopefully, it's not gonna have the same issue. But overall, I've been very happy with the mixer. It's great, it does its job, it develops the gluten like no other mixer that I've had before, considering I've never had a spiral mixer. It does whip, it beats as I've previously shown in my video. The only issue I had with it was the clicking noise. Let me know if you've ever had a mixer or appliance that gave you issues. And if you're thinking about the Uni Halo Pro, I'll keep you updated on how this replacement performs. Hit that like button if you've ever had a love hate moment with your kitchen appliances. Until next time, stay curious, stay cooking, and I'll see you next time on Flavors of the World.